Skittles. What is up, Hot Rod City residents and guests? If you're not a guest, just go. Link is down here. And subscribe. Ever since the imminent threat of my day job, my lack of online support, I've decided I've been taking my upholstery a bit more serious as a business. Gotten a whole lot more clients. I'm backed up probably about 2 weeks at the moment. So I haven't had much time to work on a lot of other things. I do take a day break. Every once in a while I work to start getting my camper ready. I got a camper deal from doing the daycare lady's shed. At some point I'll show you all what I did to that, but what's coming on. But I got this bench seat here. So I figured I gotta continually post videos and stuff for you guys so you don't get bored of me. Keep it different and interesting. So I got this bench seat here. It's out of Ford, like a pickup, F100. I've actually known the guy for quite some years, and now he wants his seat done. He's restoring a pickup truck for his wife, I think. So he says if I do good on this one, he's got another one he's doing for himself. So it's not that hard. It's just a bench seat. Anyway, it's not going red or red. It's going white. On white. Same basic pattern. Pleats here, pleats here, pleats here, pleats here. I ordered fabric. Sitting outside, it came in, so we're going to start taking this seat apart. Oh, it's that easy. So, it's kind of interesting if you've ever actually taken apart seats from different eras. Pretty much the oldest thing I've done is early 70s, like 70, maybe 69. But I've done some stuff from the like 20s and 30s. But only one that was an actual car. Well, it wasn't a car, it was a truck, but it was like a big rig of the day. So they used like natural like batting kind of thing back then, but so these things are kind of the 70s closer to the way they do boats nowadays. And boats are actually starting to progress more into like automotive upholstery once the materials start to catch up. So this is, like I said, is a Ford seat, and they use, and like 6 Dodge and Chevrolet pretty much did the same thing. On the top of it, they only use the scrim foam there, and it's actually attached to the vinyl, kind of like I would do it if I need to, if I don't buy any type of automotive actual upholstery, where it comes with the scrim foam already attached. Stuff's kind of few and far between, but so the sides, which would be around the down here, don't even have any of that. There's a light bit that just goes right around the frame of it, and it's more like a trunk lining goes in there for sound deadening, and it's only to keep the frame from rubbing holes in the vinyl. So, and this is some pretty heavy duty vinyl with borderline Naugahyde. Naugahyde is was all the rage in the 70s, but it's a like a real heavy duty vinyl, almost to the point some of it's you can get it as thick as leather hides it sometimes. So and I got leather over there, but so I'm pretty much basically going to mimic the, like I said, the whole pattern. So I can grab a razor blade and start de-stitching. So I got the cover made for the seat part of it. It's like 2 days worth of freaking work. I mean, not like straight, but like the way I work, because this is not my full-time hustle. So I'm gonna put this around. Oh, the original piece had like batting or something on it. Where'd it go? Ah, here we go. Like right here, this was sewn to it. This was sewn to it right here. I've seen this as like sound deadening a lot, but this one actually has like a scrim to it. I mean, you can pull it apart, but you can still sew it. So, so all I did was take some excess, this is cut some strips with headliner, and leave the fabric side out, because fabric on fabric will slide. If you do foam on fabric, not so much. Foam on foam, not so much either, but slides real well with fabric on fabric. So, I'm going to flip this over just so I can put the cover on and then flip it back around again. I have one of my shipments come today. As I progress with this profession, I order more and more crap. So I got actual real upholstery hog rings instead of actual like farm hog rings. I actually like the farm ones because they're a little more heavy duty, but wise man once told me, if you ain't sweating by the time you're done putting the seat cover on, you didn't make it right. So when you buy hog rings, apparently they come in a box like this. This box is $50 by itself. This is the difference in the hog rings. This here, you can see it, is a actual hog ring. They use these to put tags in hogs' ears, pigs, to identify them. This is an upholstery one. If you see the difference, this one is a lot thicker gauge, and it already has a pre-bend in it to help it a little easier.